Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials: iPhone model, iOS version, and that location services are on. This matters because system protections change by iOS. Next, sign into your Apple ID and unlock your device. You need app permissions. Once done, install a trusted location spoofing tool or open shortcuts to prepare a simulated location routine. Make sure the app you'll fake location to is installed and allowed background location. This avoids interruptions when you start sharing your new live position. You now configure the tool, open the spoofing app and grant location and background app refresh. These let the fake coordinates persist. Enter the target coordinates or pick a point on the map and choose movement style, static or simulated route, so apps see realistic updates. Once set, enable continuous updates or a persistent shortcut. This keeps your live location changing. Then test with a spare account or a non-critical app to verify accuracy and timing before you share with contacts. You finish by sharing the simulated live location. Open Find My or Messages, choose Share My Location, and pick the app contact while the spoofing tool runs. This ensures recipients see the altered live updates. If an app detects inconsistencies and falls back to real GPS, try toggling location services off and on, restart the spoofing app, or reinstall it. If problems persist, reboot your iPhone and regrant permissions. This often resolves background update or permission conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.